Good morning, students. Today in binary file I'm going to start pickle module. We are doing binary file operations, and luckily we have a very important module called pickle module in Python so that we can use it in binary file operations. Please give the heading binary file pickle module. Pickle module. Give the heading pickle module. Yes, pickle. Okay, now let us see that. We'll write a small reading writing program, though you may say it is not very small, but you have to understand it. Okay, actually don't measure the length and breadth of your program. It must be understandable by you, then only you may write it. Okay, one may write a large program with say 100 to 200 lines program in your class only. So it will be better not to measure the dimensions of your program, but you have to understand each and every line. Okay, then only you may able to write the program on your own. Now see, if you want to use the pickle module, you have to import it first. That's why the first line of my program will be import pickle. Please note down, import pickle. And then first we would like to write something in my first binary file, and that's why I'm taking a output link pointer, say output file. Better you use a small variable name, say f or f out or something like that. Okay, that will be much better. Here in this example, file link pointer is taken, that is output file. So I'm taking output file equals to, I'm writing the command open because I want to open this a.bin file which is there in the D drive. Now see, a.bin file may not be there in your D drive, or it is not there in your system. Then if it is not found by the Python interpreter, it will create its own. Okay, so a new file will be created in case it is not there in the system with this command open. Okay, so open a.bin, and of course see the file mode, it should be WB. Why? Please see when I have told you about file modes, for which reason we want to open it, isn't it? So I am opening this binary file in writing mode because I want to write something into it. That's why W is for write, and B because it is a binary file. That's all. So this is the line for opening the file. After that, I'm taking an integer 42. Why I'm taking this? Say I have to mention the record size. Okay, that's why I'm giving here 42. So take it, any integer you may take. You may take my int equals to 80 or 50, whatever you like. Now see, my string and string see, int is the first number that is to be written over there in the output file, and one string I have to write, whatever, say welcome to the world of programming. So assign a string in my string variable, any string within double quotation, welcome to the world of programming, and a list, of course. List, you may write list also. Okay, so within the list I'm taking three list elements, that is Python, SQL, and MySQL. You have learned how to create list in class 11. Within square bracket you have to write comma separated values. Okay, so my a list has been created, and then the dictionary. Dictionary is a key value pair, you have already learnt in class 11. So I'm giving here key and value. So a dictionary is being created over here. Key, this is the key, and this is the value. After colon we will write the values. So the several key value pairs I'm writing in this dictionary. First key is name, ABC, job, XYZ. Two key value pairs I have taken in this dictionary. So what I'm doing is, we are taking in our file, we are interested to write this data. Okay, a simple integer, a string, a list, and a dictionary. All this data has to be written in the binary file. So what I'm trying to say is, binary file is capable to enter any data type items. Okay, but while in text file we cannot write this. In text file, just the text data I have to enter. Okay, so here I am writing one integer, one string, one list, and one dictionary. So I have created these one. Now see, here in the program I am creating it. You may take it from the user also. Okay, that I will told you later. I'll tell you later. Now see, now I have to write. For write, we have in binary file, we have in the pickle module we have dump function that I have told you earlier in the class. So I am using pickle.dump. And the first item I am writing is integer. That integer that I have declared, the variable name, please note down my int. Then you put a comma, and of course this what I am writing over here, please see the file link that I have already created. Okay, so here you have to mention this. So this for pickle.dump function should be written pickle.dump my int comma output file. So integer will be written in the file. Pickle.dump my string comma output file. The string will be written in the file. Pickle.dump my list comma output file. The list will be written. And pickle.dump my dictionary comma output file. So the dictionary will be written. Have you understand the syntax of it? So all the four records I have written here in the file. So my writing in the file is completed. So I'm going to close the file. Once you finish your writing, close the file. Output file dot close. Okay. Now I am again opening the file. Now this time I want to read this file, whether all the records has been written properly or not. So for this again I am opening the file, but this time we are taking the file link variable as input underscore file, and use the open function as per the syntax. Give the file name and its path, absolute path. And don't forget to give this file mode constant. Okay, it is very important. RB this time. So I want to read from the binary file. That's why R for read. So read the binary file. Of course, you have to give the file name. And after that, we will take same variable names if you want to do so. Otherwise you may use some different variable names also. So these are the variable name in which we are reading one by one the records that are written already in the file, and we are loading it to the variable name. So again this variable name I am using my int, and this time we will use the load function of pickle module, load method of pickle module. And what the load method will do, it will load the file content from the file to the variable my int. So the load function will be used. So write down the syntax: pickle dot load my int equals to pickle dot load, and of course from which file you want to read, the file link you have to provide within the bracket. This is very simple. So input file I am giving over here, that is joined or linked with a.bin, because we have given this input file variable file link pointer with the open. Similarly, you have to read the string data, you have to list the read the list data, you have to read the dictionary data, and one by one I am putting all of them in our variables. I think it is clear to you. All the 4 lines of load function, please note down. And now, since all the variables are ready, we have to print it simply using the print statement. Write down print the message myInt, and here we are giving %s for printing it in string as a string data. So the variable name, since it is a file variable, we have to give % symbol over here, %myInt. Similarly, %mystring, %mylist, and %myDict. Once all the data will be printed over the output screen, we have to close it. We have to close the file. Don't forget to give input file dot close. Okay. So this is all about writing and reading from a file. This is the complete program. You may match it from it, whatever you have written. Today, not much I am going to discuss, because I want you to open your Python editor, go through the Python editor and type this program, binary file. I want you to complete the binary file program, reading and writing at least. This is the fundamental operation you have to do. I want you people to open the editor and note down and create your own program of binary file by writing the file data into the file and then from reading it. You must at least know, this is the fundamental thing, you must at least know how to read and write from a file. Sorry. How to write into a file and how to read the data from it. So this is the basic thing that you have to do. I want please go through the practical, because you people tends to ignore the practical classes, and that is the fault of yours, because because file handling requires a lot of programming practice. If you are not giving attention in your programming classes, then you may lose the programming practices, because from binary files and text files a lot of program is coming in your coming board examination. Okay, so be ready for that. So that's all for today, because only this much reading and writing, this is the basic thing I want that you people must know. And please practice the program and tell me if errors are coming, then also you have to send me the error screens. Okay, if errors are coming, please contact with me and solve your problem. Okay, and this has to be solved this time only, because if your concept will not be clear, then the file handling chapter will be incomplete for you. Okay, so best of luck for your binary file programming. Thank you very much.